Fox News senior medical analyst and the author of The Miracles Among Us, Dr. Marc Siegel, joins us now. Great to see you, Doc, this morning. Supposedly this smoke in New York is supposed to be the equivalent of smoking 10 cigarettes, half pack of cigarettes. That seems like kind of a raw deal. You don't get to smoke cigarettes, but you get the same damage.
Oh, exactly. You got short-term damage and you got long-term damage. By the way, I'll add to Adam's report that even as the thunderstorms sweep here and may knock the wildfire out of the way, in the Midwest, they're coming back, like Michigan, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Michigan is a state I'm worried about, period, because of the wildfire and the other topic we're going to talk about, the parasite. Now, in terms of the health risks, short-term, it's asthma. If you have underlying heart disease, it could make your blood pressure go up, your heart rate go quicker. I'm worried about longer-term exposure, which we've seen in California before, cognitive issues, long-term lung disease issues, again, arrhythmia, heart disease issues. It can change cognition over time and even risks of cancer over several months. So I would say if you're out there in the wildfire smoke, believe it or not, I would say pull out those old masks, the KN95. They're 95% effective. They're 95% effective. And if you're indoors, make sure you got really good filtration going on, the HEPA filters, and your air conditioner is set on recirculate. Those are the key things. So
the whole reason that, they say to stay indoors for this, but I'm like, you still got to breathe air. But the reason that it's better indoors is because we have these advanced filtration systems on our air conditioners?
Exactly, Charlie. Listen, 50 to 70% of what's bothering you outside is bothering you inside. It comes right in. It permeates in. Because the particulate matter that we're talking about is less than 2.5 microns. It's so small. And then it gets deep into your lungs and it stays there. And then it provokes asthma that you didn't even know you had. If you're having trouble breathing or your heart rate is racing or you're really not feeling up to yourself, you got to be seen. You got to call your doctor. About 40,000 deaths a year are actually linked to this stuff.
All right, so I got to ask you about this parasitic outbreak in the dirty lettuce at Taco Bell in 5 different states. So what is it that people at home can do with their lettuce? Is there a way to wash your lettuce that will kill this parasite? What do people do?
By the way, it's not a surprise that it's coming from Taylor Farms in Mexico. I'm sure the president is not surprised about that. It got into Taco Bell. The problem is then it spreads from that lettuce out into the world because you can carry it for a week or 2 before you get sick. In terms of the explosive diarrhea and the cramping and the fatigue and the low-grade fever, the best thing you can do is to stay hydrated and watch out if you're a higher risk group. If you have some problem with your immune system, chronic disease, very young, very old, stay hydrated. It will go away. It's peaking now. It's about 7,000 cases probably, which is about 3 times what we usually see, but it's on the way out, and hooray for the CDC identifying the source.
Indeed. Dr. Marc Siegel, always great to see you. Thank you.
Great to see you, Charlie.
Okay, Griff.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.